Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Cross Bailey Rollerball pen. And I'm kind of excited to check this one out because it's sort of struck me as a classy looking pen. And I got it in my favorite color for everyday carry stuff, red. So let's check out this pen and see what we think. Let's see what I think. Y'all can tell me what you think too. And I need to stay away from using the royal we. Alright, so it's a pen that I unscrew. Don't unscrew it, just pull it apart. Man. This is rough. This is a slippery, it has a slippery barrel on it. Okay, there we go. So, the moral of this little bit right here is, if you are wearing gloves, it might be tough to undo. Still a pretty pen though. Right, let's give her that little nubby thing. So, this is the Cross. Oh wow, that writes pretty good. Cross Bailey roller ball pen. Oops. Not bad. I wonder if like sticking the cap on is going to cause problems within the finish. I don't know. Doesn't seem to be doing it any there. That was ever mistreated a little bit. Okay. Doesn't look like we're getting any scuffs or anything. Yeah, I can't see any in there. I don't see any either. So that should be okay. Not a bad looking pen. And once you figure out that you pull on it instead of twisting it, it's much easier to get the cap off. Let's see. Let's look at the refill. Looks like the usual Cross refill, so if you're so inclined, based upon my previous experience with this type of refill, you could swap out an Energel refill if you want for it. But I gotta tell you, I'm kind of happy. I mean, like, this writes pretty good. The only concern I might have is I don't know if this is like fast drying ink or not, like the Energel refill. I guess we could test it out. Okay, it dries pretty quick. Y'all can see. Let me zoom in. Y'all can see there's a teeny bit of smudging there. There's like a teeny bit of smudging right here, but not bad. And so, like, if you're writing, I mean, I didn't get hardly any on my glove, and it didn't smudge much. And the writing is very smooth. I like the refill. Anyway, and it's a pretty pen. If you're interested in this pen or any of this information, I'll include a link in the description where you can check it out. Neat looking pen though. I like the look of it. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what you think about the Bailey in the comments. And if there's anything else you think any other pens or anything I should take a look at. Pretty pen. And I like the refill. I'm pretty impressed with the Cross refill. Okay. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.